Okay, so there's lots of different friction fires out there. You can do hand drill, you can do bamboo fire saw, you can do fire thong, you can do fire plow, but the bow drill has a mechanic. It's a bit more forgiving. This bow means that your spindle that is making friction and heat here is able to rotate faster as we move like this. Long strokes, remembering to breathe. We have an ember, so you can see it smoking now. I need that to grow. Might give it a bit of dust, but it's a nice big coal. Now I'm going to transfer that into my tinder bundle. And now it needs oxygen. There we have fire.
I'm looking at the recording on the camera right now, and that took 4 minutes to start a fire with no match. I have a feeling he made that look really easy, and we're gonna find it a lot harder.
Cheers, dude.
You made it look easy.